Today at the farm, we're finally moving the bus into position. Now, when we first got the bus, it came with a broken engine, and it was the middle of winter, so where we wanted to put it so we can actually finish the construction on the inside was all soft as. So we've had to wait until midsummer so we've got a bit more of a track in so we can move it in the right position. That's what we're doing right now. So our first issue, getting the full height on this. The world's most awkward battery lift. Right, we've switched the batteries. Let's see if the air will work. Lowrider bus. Issue number 2, when you need a recovery truck for your recovery truck when it buries itself in the softest part of the land. It appears we have a bit of a groundwater flow here. It's about a foot down. It's pure mud, and he instantly sank with the weight of this on the back. So now we've got to get this old military vehicle to tow him out and then move the bus into position. Now starting an off-road track.
Drive as well. Ready? Try driving as well.
It's not working!
No, good recovery company!
Still stuck. Oh, it's coming. And it's out the hole. Winch is holding up nicely.
See what happens.
Taking a few steps back. That's it, everyone take a few steps back.
It goes. Come on. Moving.
And that's cracking.
No, it's not. As long as it's level, we can always come back, can't we, next year sometime. Yeah, it looks perfect there, that's it. Guess what, go on the front wheel and do the same in the front. Yeah, may as well, then it's in position, isn't it? I'm up for that, yeah. Go on! You say when to stop, mate. Stop. Is that what you want?
Bosh. bus in position. Blocks are in, sleepers are in, lots of structural steel touching hard things. One unanticipated job that we're going to have to do now though, because we haven't managed to get it exactly where we wanted it, the nice level spot 2 feet that way, is dig a little trench under this back axle here to get our bottle jack in, because we can't quite get it in anymore as it's pretty much touching the floor. Well, that's no big issue. Extra couple of hours work, no big deal. So it wasn't the most straightforward move for the recovery team, but the guys from Crouch Recovery did an excellent job. This soft bit here that foiled the first truck, straight here with the second truck, boom, pulled that one out, got this one in position. Great work. Gave them some eggs to say thank you. Now I can recommend them for moving big loads and awkward jobs. So if you need a big vehicle recovering, say you get it stuck off-road, or you need to move it off-road like we have, you can use these guys. Crouch Recovery, put a little link in the description below. Right then, that's it for this video. Catch us in the next one when we'll be completely emptying out all the stuff we've stripped. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there, and digging the little trench and levelling this out. Until next time, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.